I had a dream about like a clicking, so I knew I had to wake up. I'm gonna go outside, check it out, and check the oil. And then fill up gas and leave. It's 9, almost 10, which is okay. I got the car all started, and I'm still at Love's, but I'm going in, and I'm gonna go use the bathroom. That's a beautiful thing about remote start. I can let it warm up while I go inside. On the way to Flagstaff right now on I-17 or I-7, and pretty excited because Santa Fe is the plan today. That's the goal. Getting some cheap 87, not 85, 87. Let's go. We look to be all good in the hood, and this hood, and oil all good, coolant level, bam. It's looking good, and the transmission fluid, I just checked, and it's still pink, and it's still there, so, you know. We're gonna head out. Check this out. That's so cool. So, in case y'all didn't know, this is what Albuquerque looks like just after sunset.